I was honestly getting tired of my old wireless keyboard. Every time I wanted to switch between my Mac Mini and my Windows laptop, I had to unplug the USB dongle from one device and plug it into the other. It completely interrupted my workflow. So after a lot of research, I finally bought the Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s. I have been using it for about a week now, and I can confidently say it's one of those upgrades that genuinely makes everyday work easier. But is it really worth spending around Rs 3000 on a Bluetooth keyboard? Let's find out. I ordered this from Amazon and surprisingly it arrived in just 10 minutes. The first thing that caught my attention was how compact the packaging is. This is the Logitech Pebble Keys 2. A multi-device Bluetooth keyboard that works with Windows, macOS, iPadOS, Android, Chrome OS, and pretty much any Bluetooth enabled device. The MRP on the box is around 4595, but you will usually find it for around Rs 3000 during sales. I will leave the purchase link in the description below. Let's open it up. Inside the box you get the keyboard, a quick start guide, product documentation. That's pretty much it. The keyboard already comes with two AAA Duracell batteries pre-installed, so it's ready to use right out of the box. According to Logitech, the batteries can last up to 3 years thanks to its auto sleep power saving mode, so battery anxiety really isn't something you'll have to worry about. The first thing you'll notice is the design. Unlike traditional keyboards with square keycaps, the Pebble Keys 2 has rounded keys that give it a very clean and modern look. It's slim, compact and minimalistic, which instantly made my desk setup look much cleaner. Another thing I really like is that the keycaps include both Windows and Mac legends. You'll find the Windows key, Command key, Option key and Alt key all clearly labeled. So switching between operating systems feels completely natural. The keyboard itself feels surprisingly premium. Although it's compact, it has enough weight to stay firmly in place while typing, and the rubber feet underneath stop it from sliding around. One thing worth mentioning is that there are no adjustable kickstands, so you are limited to the built-in typing angle. There are also dedicated shortcut keys for things like search, screenshot, emoji, media controls and volume. Compared to my old Dell wireless keyboard, the Pebble Keys 2 is noticeably smaller. It takes up much less desk space and is also thinner, making the entire setup feel much cleaner. For me, that compact size was actually a big advantage because I don't need a full-size keyboard with a number pad. Now let's connect it. The keyboard comes with batteries already installed, so all I had to do was pull out the battery tab. As soon as I did that, it powered on automatically and entered Bluetooth pairing mode. I started with my Mac Mini. I opened the Bluetooth settings and within a few seconds, the keyboard appeared. After clicking connect, macOS displayed a pairing code. I simply typed the code on the keyboard, pressed enter and the connection was complete. The first time you connect it, macOS also asks you to identify the keyboard layout, which only takes a few seconds. Next, I wanted to pair it with my Windows laptop. To do that, I pressed and held the Easy Switch to button until the LED started blinking. That blinking light means the keyboard is ready to pair with another device. On my Windows laptop, the keyboard appeared almost instantly in the Bluetooth menu. After entering the pairing pin, it connected immediately. The entire setup process for both devices took less than 2 minutes. And here's the feature that convinced me to buy this keyboard. Instead of reconnecting Bluetooth every time or moving a USB receiver between devices, all I have to do is press one of these easy switch buttons. Let me show you. Right now, I'm tapping on my Mac Mini. If I press button 2, I'm instantly connected to my Windows laptop. No reconnecting, no waiting, no unplugging dongles. Honestly, it feels almost instant. This one feature has completely changed the way I work. Since I switch between both devices multiple times a day, it made my workflow much smoother. And the best part is that the keyboard can remember up to 3 Bluetooth devices. So if you also use an iPad or Android tablet, you can dedicate the third easy switch button to that. Once you get used to this, it's very difficult to go back to a regular keyboard. I have now been using the keyboard for about a week. The keys are quiet, responsive and comfortable for long typing sessions. Whether I'm writing scripts, replying to emails, or doing office work, the typing experience has been consistently enjoyable. What impressed me even more is how much cleaner my workspace has become. My laptop now stays on a stand at eye level, and I can still comfortably use both computers without touching a single cable. Sometimes it's these small upgrades that end up making the biggest difference. Personally, it's made my everyday workflow much more convenient, and I genuinely don't see myself going back to my old keyboard. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what gadget you would like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.